In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can buy coins on Binance. You can simply buy crypto on your Binance account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Binance. You will have to tap right here on Wallets. Tap on the Buy option. Select either using your cards or PayPal. Then tap right here to choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Scroll through, and if you can't find that specific crypto, just use the search bar right here. Proceed by entering in the amount you want to spend. Then tap on Buy right here. Make sure your Binance account is verified to proceed with buying crypto on your account. That's how easy it is to buy crypto on your Binance wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.